Okay, teachers. Next. So, subject-wise period allotment. Subject-wise period allotment. So, actually, in a week, these number of periods are preferable. If it is possible, for math subject, math Olympiad, along with the regular textbook, for math Olympiad, weekly, 2 periods to be allotted. For science also weekly, 2 periods to be allotted. For reasoning weekly, 1 period to be allotted. In the same way, for English also weekly, 1 period to be allotted. So, on the whole, weekly 6 periods are required to complete this portion. Means some schools, what they are doing means, so daily last period, Olympiad period, like that they are keeping. In that Olympiad period, 2 days maths, 2 days science, 1 day reasoning, 1 day English, like that they are allotting the schedules. And some other schools, what they are doing means, if they are allotting regular maths 6 periods, apart from that 6 periods, plus 2 extra periods they are giving to the maths teacher, 6 plus 2, 8 periods. Like that they are planning. It depends on your comfortability. According to your comfort, you can plan the schedule. So if the management, if they provide these number of periods, so then this time will be ample for you. It will be sufficient for you, and you can finish the syllabus. So this is about periods allotment. So next, effective concept teaching techniques. Effective concept teaching techniques. So actually, in our book, we have just given a quick concept review. So complete lesson we have not given. So why? Because already you are following one textbook. In the textbook, detailed concepts are there. So our book is just a reference book. So that's why only quick review of concepts we have given. So this, if these points already, if they are covered in regular book, no need to teach these points again. So you can skip these points. Any missing content from that book, if it is there in our book, only that to be taught. So that is one point. So next. So while teaching any concept, maybe from your textbook or from our book, so some techniques you need to follow. So what are they means? Start from what students know, means known to unknown. If you start the class by asking what is known to them, and from that, if you lead that to unknown thing, then they can understand better. So before starting any topic, you need to do hard work. How you need to teach that topic, that you need to plan. So you need to start from known. So for that, 5 minutes. So for extracting answers from the students about that known things regarding that particular topic, for that you need to allot at least 5 minutes. And recall, you need to recall in the same concept in the previous class, whether any concept they have learned, that you need to recall from them. So for that, 5 minutes you need to spend. And the new topic you need to teach only for 25 minutes. You need to teach only for 25 minutes. That too, taking real life examples, taking mind maps with the help of some charts, with the help of some activities, by making some groups. So through some innovative methods, you need to teach the new topic. So then only they feel the class more engaging and more interesting. So 45 minutes continuously, if you go on teaching the new topic, so it will be of no use. You need to start from known things. You need to recall the previous class knowledge. Then new topic, 25 minutes you need to teach. So after that, so before, while teaching that 25 minutes, you need to keep the students involved by asking questions, giving small tasks, and by letting them share their ideas. So like that, so class should be more engaging. So you need to make the involves actively participate in that topic discussion. And finally, you need to spend 5 minutes time for quick recap. By doing that, so you can identify whether they have understood the new concept or not, that complete clarity it will come to you. So that is about teaching techniques. So next, worksheets. Next topic is about worksheets. So actually, in our book, we have given three levels of worksheets: level 1, level 2, and level 3. So actually, before starting the level 1 worksheet in the classroom, after finishing the quick concept review, or after finishing one lesson from your NCRT book and quick concept review from our book, before starting level 1 worksheet, you need to mention in the diary. So do the problems in level 1 and come to the classroom next day. Like that, daily homework you need to give. And they need to maintain one problem solving notebook. So all the 25 questions, for that answers, they will write down in their notebook. Though they don't know the answer, because it is only for self-evaluation purpose. So all questions to be solved by the students. So like that, if they do all the problems and come to the classroom next day, so in the class, what we have to do means, student number 1, stand up. What is the question? Come on, read. Try to tell the answer. Number 2, number 3. Like that, every child to be given a chance to read the question and to tell the answer. So by that, reading skills of the students will be improved. So if you do so, then after going to exam hall, in the exam hall also, they can read the question properly and they can try to keep the answer correctly. That reading skills you need to improve, and while answering, they will think and they will try to answer. They will get confidence. They will overcome fear. So that's why level 1 practice sheet, it is for individual student purpose. So students, they need to solve that questions. So next, level 2, if it is possible, make some groups. So one intelligent child, 4 or 5 average children, they need to sit together and they need to solve this task. So around 20 questions will be there. The 20 questions they need to solve. What you can do as a teacher, you can just give the hint. 21, 22, these are the hints, or these are the formulae. By using that, you can solve these questions. Like that, you can give the instructions. So after this, and one more time, if you, while discussing finally, while you are telling the answers in their problem solving notebooks, students, they can keep a tick mark for correct answer, wrong mark for wrong answer, into mark for wrong answer. Like that, for level 1, how many marks they scored. For level 2, how many marks they scored. Level 1 as an individual, how many marks they scored. Level 2 as a team, how many marks they scored. Like that, they need to self-evaluate themselves. So by that, they will feel the class more interesting, and they can know their strength and they can know their weakness. Even as a teacher, we too can identify the loopholes. Next, level 3. So level 3 questions will be somewhat difficult. So that questions to be explained on the teacher, by the teacher on the board. So actually, no need of fair notes for the concepts. So you need to maintain one problem solving notebook, and after attempting all the answers, student has to self evaluate their question and answers. So that is about practice sheets. So like that, level 1, level 2, level 3 worksheets you need to finish. Next. So actually, for all these levels, so complete key and solutions we will be providing during the training session or before starting of school through WhatsApp, or hard copies, or we have an app which we are going to discuss in the last. Through that app, we are going to share complete key and solutions. So means wherever it is necessary, a complete solution part also is there. Step-by-step solve procedure is there. For theoretical part, direct answers are given. Like that, complete solutions you are going to get. Next, even for science also, for some direct answers are there, some explanation part also is there. So that is about practice sheets and then how to deal with the practice sheets.